Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to explore the opportunities that have emerged for drone pilots and anyone else looking for a career in the world of unmanned aviation. If you're a recently qualified drone pilot, or if you have ambitions to become one, or if you're just interested in UAV related careers, then watch this video to the end and it'll give you some idea of current job prospects and career development opportunities. I'll look briefly at current drone pilot jobs, related careers, and the salaries on offer. In other videos, I have described several aspects of running your own UAV-based business. So if you're interested in self-employment, then check out my channel and playlists at youtube.com/c/Ben Lovegrove. So let's get started. We are now in the drone age, and hardly a week goes by without some announcement of new developments in UAV technology. As with all technological advances, there is a need for skilled personnel to fill vacancies created by the expansion. With a little planning and the right training, drone pilots and others can look forward to varied and rewarding careers within an exciting industry. As anyone who has taken the first steps into the world of unmanned aviation knows, drones can be put to all kinds of uses. There is the obvious task of aerial photography and cinematography, and there's also mapping, modelling, inspections, and thermal imagery, to name a few. Check out my video, What are drones used for? 31 uses for flying drones and UAV, for more examples. In the comments section underneath the video, people have suggested even more uses. So let's have a look now at drone-related careers. There's more to the drone age than just piloting drones. Drone-related careers include those who design, build, customize and maintain UAV of all shapes and sizes. Engineers might specialize in the airframes, working with new materials that provide extra strength and improved aerodynamics, along with 3D printing. While we're on the subject of engineers, it's worth also mentioning the crossover between unmanned and manned aviation. Who will design the most successful unmanned aircraft capable of carrying passengers? Will it be drone engineers who started their careers on nano drones or small UAS and ended up designing large UAVs? Or will it be aerospace engineers who began designing conventional manned aircraft and migrated into unmanned aircraft? There are software engineers who develop the operating systems and apps in both the UAV itself and its controller, or who specialize in AI and FPV. Software developers are also required to solve the problem of how to track drones and how to maintain separation between them and other aircraft types. There are the manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers who keep the industry supplied with hardware and spares. There are the training companies who, with the approval of the National Aviation Authority, train pilots to fly remotely piloted aircraft to a minimum standard of competence. And we should also mention those who promote the industry by creating trade associations and networks, providing marketing, mentoring and support. Companies like Drone Major Group, the world's first global commercial organization for the drone industry. Use the link in the description below to register for a free account, either as a supplier of UAV-related services or as a drone pilot. By registering for a free account, with optional upgrades and additional privileges, you can use the site to network with others and to make valuable contacts in your chosen field. These and other similar regional trade associations like RPAS UK, the Association of Remotely Piloted Aircraft Systems UK, require support staff skilled in administration, PR, marketing and event management. Now let's have a quick look at drone pilot salaries. As with any other industry, drone pilot salaries are commensurate with skills and experience, and there is likely to be a wide variation in pay. Recently qualified pilots with fresh certificates that allow them to fly, for example, a DJI Inspire for commercial purposes, can expect starting salaries in the region of £25,000 a year. On the other hand, ex-military UAV operators with years of experience operating large and medium-sized UAV might earn 3 times that amount. As with many industries, the high earners are those who are specialists with rare skills and who provide high productivity and flexibility. For drone pilots, this might mean not only having the right technical skills, but also being willing to operate UAV whenever the light and the weather allows. That is likely to be from early in the morning to late in the evening in the summer months, and on weekends when weekday flying is cancelled due to adverse weather. Drone engineers who design, build, program and test new drones could earn much more than pilots. Salaries in excess of $100,000 a year have been quoted, but I've been unable to verify them. Perhaps if you have inside information on salary levels, you could add a comment below this video. Just like the IT industry, salaries within the drone industry are hard to pin down as there are many variables. Aside from the candidate's skills and experience, there is the size and profitability of the company itself. A startup drone company might offer lower salaries with share options. If it becomes a success, then this could be worth far more than a higher starting salary with no share options. Wherever you fit into the drone age, I wish you well with your career. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video of interest. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with those who might also be curious.